Everyone, so today in this video let's understand how can we start speaking from zero level as a beginner. So hello everyone, this is Bhavya and this is the day 7th of my 30-day English speaking series. So today in this video let's talk about how can we start speaking from zero level. So in the beginning we don't able to speak more than a sentences, or we know the sentences, we know many words, vocabs, and there are lots of things are our mind, but we are not able to speak. So the first thing you have to do is try to listen English. Like the more you can watch English stories, English animated stories, movies, podcast, or motivational videos which is in English. So it will definitely helps you with speaking, because when we listen, the more our brain start connected with English easily, and we have our own English environment. We don't need any partner, or we don't need someone around us who will speak English, and when we listen and when we speak, no. uh, you can start listening and or watching English in English, or whatever you can watch. So just start. It helps us to connect our brain with English. It helps us to understand, and after watching we get to know that which word we have to use in which situation, what kinds of word we can use in different situations. So it helps us a lot. Okay, so in the beginning when I had started, so this was my first thing that I had started. I used to listen the more I can. Like every day I used to listen 3 or 4 videos in English, and yeah, in the beginning I didn't understand all the words, all the sentences, uh, but with the time, after 1 or 2 months, I started understanding uh, sentences, words, and how to use words. And so it was uh, not easy, but it was also not impossible. And the second thing we have to do is, when we completed any videos, then we have to explain that. Like think we are explaining this to someone else, we have to explain. Like if you are watching a movie or stories, so after completed that video, you have to pretend like you are explaining that story with someone. And please speak in English, don't use Hindi or your native language. Just try to explain in English. Yeah, in the beginning we make a lots of mistakes, we don't have words to explain, but still we have to do this, because this helps us a lot in speaking. So, and the one more important thing is, don't wait for perfection. I mean, the words and the sentences, just try to speak them, Lord. Uh, like when you see things around you, then try to speak them in English, and don't think like what if you make mistakes, because mistakes are a part of our journey. The more we mistake, the more we learn. So don't get afraid of making mistakes. And I understand that in the beginning it is very hard to speak sentences in English, because I also used to think thousands of times before speaking any one sentences. I used to check my grammar, structure, or rule, but it is the totally wrong way. We don't have to follow this. Just speak, and believe me, once you started, you'll able to speak. That's it for today. Bye bye.